Hey, it's Alex at Motoroso.com, your dedicated auto parts marketplace. It's 2019 and it's SEMA, and we are in the Ford booth to take a close-up look at the 2020 F-250 Super Duty built by LGE CTS. We also had an opportunity for a quick chat with Teresa from LGE CTS Motorsports. All right, we've got Teresa from LGE CTS with their F-250 here at SEMA 2019. Teresa, tell us a little bit, what inspired this build?
Yeah, so really the inspiration on this build was we did a Ranger last year, right? And we took it out off-roading and it was incredible. And I started driving this and I was like, dude, we need to race this thing, you know? So then we were like, well, we need a chase truck for it, right? So really it's like we got so many people that really loved the color and everything like that. So this is like its big brother, you know? So we basically built this Baja forged F-250 to tow around our Ranger.
Awesome, and where's the Ranger gonna be racing?
So we're looking at MDR races out in Southern California, things like that.
Awesome, we'll have to check that out. Tell us about some of the mods on the truck.
Yeah, well, some of the modifications and stuff are really like things that stand out are like we have the front carbon fiber fenders on it. That was really fun is that, you know, we usually do them in fiberglass, but, you know, who doesn't love carbon fiber, right? We have our typical, like, you know, we did a front bumper that we designed on it. Also a roof rack that holds a rooftop tent, which everyone loves because having that is amazing. And then really we did this bed right here. But what we did was we added some modifications to it. So we did like a flare to it that makes it feel like a little more cohesive to the rest of the truck. And then we also added these custom pieces in the back that are modular. So actually this comes off and then you can use it as a fifth wheel for towing as well.
Amazing. It looks incredible, Teresa. Great job. You and Sarah always knock it out of the park. Where can everybody check out all the LGE CTS action?
Yeah, sure. You can find us on Instagram at LGE_CTS Motorsports and our website, LGE-CTS.com.
Fantastic. Thank you, Teresa.
Okay, thanks, Alex.
That's all we've got for this video, but you can explore all the details of this project vehicle at Motoroso.com/Ford SEMA 2019. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for all of our SEMA coverage. Make sure when you're shopping for your parts, you check out the Motoroso Marketplace at Motoroso.com, where you can browse over 1 million top name brand products sold by trusted vendors at great prices, and the shipping is always free with no minimum. Thanks for watching.